Good morning, welcome to your morning video update from Currency Index. First of all, looking at yesterday, there was some warning signs for the pound yesterday, and the first negative piece of economic data that we've had out in the UK for a little while. Industrial and manufacturing production were both released yesterday, and the figures for the growth of industrial production in May were much worse than expected. Showing still some growth, but much less growth than had been forecast, and that did hurt the pound yesterday morning. We lost about 0.5% against both the euro and the US dollar due to the poor figures. Manufacturing has been one of the cornerstones of the UK recovery, so it was disappointing to see this figure, and certainly I think a warning sign that the UK economy isn't perhaps in quite as good a state as we thought. The pound did recover, and we did end up with the day with approximately the same exchange rates as we started, but certainly a warning sign there. And on the same note, the British Chambers of Commerce have also announced that they don't think interest rates should go up in the UK as quickly as has been predicted perhaps by the Bank of England, and there's certainly some political wrangling going on there as to when we will see interest rate rises. So if interest rate rises are delayed, that again will probably affect the pound negatively over the coming months. Today, not much out in the way of data that's important at all. The European Central Bank President Mario Draghi is speaking tonight at 7 PM, but not a lot through the day, so we should have relatively stable exchange rates. We're still very, very close to multi-year highs against the euro and the US dollar for those of you sending money abroad. So certainly a good time to be thinking about securing a rate for anything you have in the coming months. The pound isn't really going anywhere at the moment. It does seem to have peaked against most currencies, and the risk for it falling back over the coming weeks, I think, is more than the room for improvement that we've been seeing over recent months. So if you do have money to send abroad in the coming weeks and months, give us a ring at Currency Index and we'll talk you through your options. Hope we get the best exchange rate we can. Thanks for now.